We're fine. We're here. I have one. I'm one. Can I go in? I have only one. I fit one.
That's okay. One's a special number.
Yeah.
Okay. You got to look in that direction though.
Oh.
And what you don't see going down, you can always see going up. Okay.
Okay. There's no glass door here, right?
There is, but you won't see too much there.
Okay.
But you can do it there and do that up going down.
Okay.
Okay. Don't lean against the front door, please. That's all I ask. I don't want to lose anybody going down or up. Now we're going to descend 180 feet. We have a thrust deck. We have a brake deck, which you're going to see. We have the upper and lower guide deck. They maintain the alignment between the turbine and the generator. We have a rack and pinion deck. That controls the flow of water going to the turbine. Now, we have a draft tube, and that takes water from the turbine into the wheel pit. Can you see?
What's behind you?
This guy. That's a 10-foot.
10 foot?
Yeah, 10-foot pipe.
Most of the view are other side, right? The weird door, right?
Yeah, that, like I said, you can get it on the way back, either or. Was the turbine there. That was the draft tube. This is the wheel pit where all the water goes. If all generators were running at the same time, so 600 feet, the tunnel you're going down, it would be 3/4 full. Okay, and I've got a gift for each and every one. It's called air conditioning.
So we go out here?
Special gift to you. Just go all the way down.
Oh, wow. Tunnel. It's very dark out here. There it comes. Elevator's coming. What for them? Wow. I see a second elevator coming. There's two of them. Sorry, I can see. Look at this. Yeah, 1 sec.
180 feet. There we go.
Here's the second car. Hopefully I get this one by myself. It's here. Oh, wow. Can I look at this? See the buttons first. It's brand new. Oh, fixtures. Somebody's coming in. Are you guys coming in? Yeah, come on in. I want to be at the back. They coming in or no? This is brand new. I want the back. Excuse me, please. I want the back. We got. I have to get the. Oh, crap, man. Wow.
How'd you guys like it?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah? Very nice.
When was the first day open?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yes. So the downstairs tunnel was open yesterday. Upstairs has been open for a year.
Tunnel was open only yesterday?
Yes.
Because we saw like lots of cracks. Maybe it's the last day today.
How fast is this elevator?
Not fast. I don't know.
That's enough.
But they want to slow it down so you get the feel. They want to slow it down to get the view of this.
Question, you don't know how many bricks they use here all the time?
No.
Approximately 10
Not
million,
sure.
15
Bricks? Oh yeah, like there's like 3 million bricks in the tunnel, and then there's more that way though. So just this side is 30 million.
Okay, what's the casualty rate?
Generator floor.
Pardon?
Casualties, how many people
I
per day, per
don't
year,
know.
or per hour?
Have a nice day.
You want to come back down if you don't move in the building, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might do that again. Thank you. I want to take the elevator myself. Which one's better, this view or other side?
I don't know. They're kind of the same.
I want to do this side. I want to do this side. I finally got it myself.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is once in a while opportunity, so might as well to go again. I already got this side last going up. Now I'm gonna do this side. Luckily, they got 2 cars here at the same time, so you know what? Might as well I want to take it by myself. Why not? You buy a ticket, go in here for, just go again.
Yeah.
The side window has nothing to see, right? The side window.
No.
Almost there. Whoa, these are new. Oh, wow.
Wheel pit.
Wheel pit. Is that a wheel pit actually?
Yeah.
It's not open. Yeah. Got it by myself finally. Wow, we're going back up. If I do have space or not. Can I fit? Oh, right.
Don't lean against the back door, please. That's all I ask. We're going up. Did everybody enjoy it?
Okay.
Yes.
3 million bricks. 115 years later, this building is still standing. All manual labor. Yeah. And horses pulling carts that carried 8 tons of stone.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. 4 years to build it. 4 years to build this plant. Everything.
That was quite
All the
fast.
tunnels, everything. 4 years.
It's fast. Quite fast.
That was a 24/7 operation.
How many people was?
Hundreds. I imagine there was quite a few died too.
Oh, yeah.
Because if you went through the museum, you would see
Yeah.
that there wasn't a lot of harness safety back then. There was no safety jackets or anything, you know. That's the brake deck.
I think you might be on lunch.
Remember the church we went to? It has been building for 10 years, it's still standing. No, that church, somewhere. We went to. Did we go together?
Okay, on behalf of Niagara Parks and myself, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.